This one is so feisty. Gotta fight me. Come on, little one. Here we go. It's alright. It's alright. Where you going? Where you going? Hmm? You got places to go and people to see? There we go. Aw. This one always has a little fit first, and then once he gets going, or she or whoever, we really chow down. Look at the sweet cheeks. He's the feisty one.
You're getting a low battery. Hang on here.